Thank you for buying this 19690 condiment organizer from Fixture Displays. This has a round design. Diameter is right about 9 inches and overall height 7.8 inches. It comes in flat to make it safe and economical to ship. To assemble, there's only 2 screws to fasten, really very straightforward. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. I invite you to browse fixturedisplays.com for many other business and consumer products we have to offer. This organizer allows you to put many bottles, spices, salt and pepper, ketchup, and what have you, typically littered around your countertop or on your table. Now you can keep them in one small basket and bring them on and off your counter or table in one quick trip. I invite you to browse fixturedisplays.com for many other business and consumer products we have to offer. The pigtail ring would hold a nice card, give your patrons more information, specials, drinks, and what have you. It's a really convenient way to advertise to your in-house patrons. If you have a custom requirement, we love the opportunity to quote and manufacture for you. I hope you enjoyed this video, this product. Do like us, subscribe, remember leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.